Yeah, the drone just taken off from South Perth, heading over towards the city. You got a bit of a view of the city skyline there. It's heading over to Elizabeth Quay. As it heads over to Elizabeth Quay, you can see the ferry heading out from Elizabeth Quay, heading over to South Perth side. Also, where all those cranes are, is now got the Ritz-Carlton and some apartments built there, and the Chevron head office. So the skyline has actually changed a lot since this video was taken. And you can see the bell tower just on the lower right hand side of the screen where those cranes are. So that bell tower has got some bells that were gifted to WA, and also a great shot of the Perth city skyline now. As I said, it has changed a lot since this video was taken. And as the drone pans around, you can see the esplanade, which is just a big green grass area on the foreshore there. Great place for picnics, or take the family to have play some sport, or just wander around and relax. And coming into the lower right hand side of the screen, the ferries, there's two of them. You'll see them crisscross over. They run every 15 minutes between the city and South Perth. Yeah, there's a second one coming in now.